You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase, how to say very well. And you? So someone asks you in Spain or a Spanish-speaking country, how are you doing today? ¿Cómo estás hoy? For example, you'd answer muy bien, muy meaning very, bien meaning good, muy bien. So you answer, I'm very good, or just very good. That's how the Spanish would say it, muy bien. Now, to be polite, you want to respond back, ¿y tú? Meaning, and you, how about you? ¿Y tú? ¿Y tú? ¿Y is and, tú is you. And you? So overall, someone asks, ¿qué tal? You say, muy bien. ¿Y tú? Muy bien. ¿Y tú? ¿Qué tal? How are you? Muy bien. ¿Y tú? And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.